Okay, Miss. Okay. Good morning, Miss Ilyana. I'm Chen Wei and with my supervisor, Miss Atira. Okay. So, I have the doing my internship in architecture firm. So, okay, architect, wait, like, okay. So, Archiconic is a architecture firm that have years of experience in in Malaysia. So we have evolved few project lah, few types of project like residential, high-rise project, also industry and charity also. All right. So this architecture firm have two director that organize it. So one was our boss and also our director, Mr. Quick, A.R. Kui Vinci, and also one is our director also, Miss Now, but I didn't have a picture, so I didn't put in the slide. Okay. So before I start present my project, I involve the most. So I will be talk about what I be doing in this architecture firm the most and the majorly work tasks I be doing here lah. So I be major doing the task is 3D modeling and rendering also, and doing the marketing key like a proposal for when we need to propose to the client. Okay, so move on to the next. Okay, so this six project I have involved the most with my supervisor and also one of my senior that are leading me on this six project. Okay, so the first one is Kunai HQ. So the Kunai HQ project is the construction company that they need to build a HQ that be be located at the Sungai Long. Okay. So the first task I do in this project so is 3D modeling and rendering. So I use back the previous modeling model 3D model. So I adjust based on the new comment from the clients. Okay, so I in this picture, as you can see, so I adjust the facade design, design the lowest, so like extend a bit longer, so maybe like look um more beautiful. Okay, so and also I render it so for prepare our proposal. Okay, so the next task, so we went to the site meeting with our director A.R. Kuvinci and one of my senior. So okay, then because our boss director is A.R. right, so they in the meeting they need to discuss about the progress of the construction also and also checking for the like have any issue that need to be solving on the site. Ah, okay. So the next one is the door window schedule that I be working in this project. So based on the plan and based on the plan design. So and also the client comment, we we prefer we prefer using the carton glass for the facade design. So okay, my senior leading me on how to draft out the carton glass detail and also using the format and like fill in the detail and also the specification of the carton glass. Okay, so the next one is because last okay, so I just told you, right? So the previous we go to last time we go to the site meeting. So the client have some comment. So we based on their comment, we amend the plan and we amend the plan like okay. So we extend some spaces that client require larger than the previous one. So and also adjust some adjust the parking, how the parking will look like, and also we adjust the facade also. Facade have adjust a bit lah. Okay. So after we amend the plan, so we proceed to using the Photoshop to render the plan because we need to like we put it in the presentation slide like a proposal that we need to provide back to the client. So to see any update that from based on the client comment and also so right now we just be successful because um client like very satisfied for the design and also have not any issue on the design from currently lah. Okay. So move on to the next project All right. So this is the car showroom that be located at the Ampang. So the actual location I have to forget but it is a proposal only lah. So okay. Based on the client comment, right? Okay, so I prepare a 3D modeling. So from my senior that draft out the plan So this is the classroom that we make it to like a reality. So to our client to comment Okay, so okay our client, right? Okay, so they have some few of the comment they need to update on the classroom. So as you can see in the drawing, so they need to add out the facade design like a like a pink and added some logos So add on in the facade to make it more like more fun and also make it more professional like a classroom because it's a future future electric car showroom like this. Okay. So the next project is SJKT Chunghua. So this is existing building we been involved in. So this project I be doing is like a renovation for the existing classroom. So this is also a charity work So we doesn't charge any fee or also an like excessive fee So for drafting the renovation plan. Okay. So first of all, me and one of my senior, so we go to the site measuring and inspection for the classroom that we need to renovate it. So we need to see have any problem or any any problem that we need to solve in the classroom. So we measuring first, and we inspect how the classroom will look like, and also discuss with our client also. So on that day, so the owner of the school and also the engineer also they have be on the site also at the school also at that site. Okay. So we discuss about the how the renovated in how the outcome will look like, the renovation outcome will look like. So we also discuss about the solving the problem on the site, like the is it have any issue on the extension beam and also for the extension of the wall that need to be doing in the classroom something like this. Okay, so we discuss about the structure and that need to in the future be doing in the renovation Okay. So for this project, I prepare a renovation proposal lah. So okay, based on the client comment and my senior leading me, so be teaching me on how to draft out the renovation plan professionally. So okay, we based on the existing building, so we add on the we add on the view of the wall and be doing the part of the classroom be doing as a be doing as a no a future the student that can like be at like a kindergarten lah. So okay, so in the future kindergarten, so we be adding a few of the walls that few of the wall be adding the feel of the wall lah. Okay, so as you can see, so we be doing five of the toilets. So one is our the for the teacher toilets, and the other one is for the student because there is the primary school. This is a primary school, so the student that have not like didn't need to be required to have a big toilet spacious for like adult because they are also they are just kid. So we design like kids friendly lah. So they have not any dangerous for the kid also, and also didn't have any issue for the future lah because we have discussed with the engineer also. So okay, so okay. After we done the renovation proposal, so the finally the construction also the renovation construction also be done already. So the owner of the school that very proud of us, very happy lah. So they be providing award to our director AR Privity. So and the open ceremony. So our boss just our director, our boss so just attend the open ceremony and be like taking the award from the our from the school owner. Okay. So the next project, I will be doing most of the part in this project is KSO Charlotte. So be located at the Kucha Lama. So it's Charlotte that we uh finish the construction is existing already so just done the construction only because our client have rated one of the unit. So one of the unit that the client need us to like design about the interior how they look like, the staircase design and also the spatial also, so that we discuss with the client after. So then we prepare the proposal to the client. So okay, first of all, the first one is the staircase design. So based on the client comment, so the client like require have because the floor level also have like 5 meter or 6 meter height So okay, the client decide to make it as a first floor and also have a mezzanine floor. So the floor the basic building have a double volume like this So okay, the mezzanine floors we be using like some kind of this design of staircase. So be look like very aesthetic and also be very innovative design be using on this staircase okay, so the client that required we using the lowest as the facade. So we and also using like steel lah, the steel I beam that be holding the stair trim and riser, the stair trim and riser. So that look like it have a space in between lah. Okay. So the next one is door window schedule. So this is my supervisor Miss Atira that she leading me on this project. So okay, after we design the floor plan. So okay, I based on the floor plan, I and also the current comment lah. So we draft out the door window schedule and make sure the door window schedule to make sure the the window and the door that not any issue lah. So can be fixed, can be use it on the spacious lah. Okay. So the next one is M&E plan. So after we draw out the door window schedule, so we prepare the M&E plan for adjust or recommend our client how to plan the lights on, and also the aircon placement and also the lights, aircon, and also the plugs, the placement of the plug lah. So we draft out the M&E plan for the client to comment. So the next one is the area calculation. Because due to the spaces is a existing building, so the interior then the client need to renovate it. So they be using the the block like a brick block so they are very biggest, and also the partition wall, so to spacious is the how the space we look like. So I need to calculate the how many blocks that we using on the site, and also the partition that needed for the how many square feet of the partition that needed lah. Okay. So to the next. So after we discuss with the client on the previous task, so and me and Miss Atira need to go to the site inspection. So Miss Atira be leading me to learning how to inspect the work that be done from the contractor. Is it can proceed or not? Or and also inspect how the work we look like lah in the future. So and also solving the problem on the site also. Okay. So the next project is Sunbay 70. So this is the project be located at the Johor, at the Johor. Okay. So first project, the project I be doing the first task is SPA drawing. So the SPA drawing is something like okay, I use back the my senior drafter drawing. So and I adjust it and add on the lot number for the each of the drawings, and also adjusting something that need to adjust on the drawing. So after I done this project, so after I done this task, so I give my supervisor to comment it lah. Okay. So the next one is the drawing that we need to reverse based on the client comment. So after the SPL drawing, so I also have adjust a bit from the drawing that we draw before. So because the client has some design on the greenhouse, this greenhouse project. So I reverse. So and I also need to see is it possible to build out or not. So I also be giving my supervisor to checking lah, Miss Atira checking this drawing lah. Okay. So after we done out, so the client also okay if it. Okay. So we do out the 3D modeling and rendering. So this is the 3D I be built out because we need to look like uh the 3D modeling is we used to have like a proposal for the client that can be seen easily to understand how the structure will look like in the future and also the construction will look like lah. So this is the links when we build based on the listed the current plan lah, sorry. Okay, so the next project is SJKC Living and also my last project that I wrote the most. So the SJKC Living, I be leading by my senior also and also my supervisor, Miss Atira. So okay, we prepare the proposal drawing for because this is a new building, so that have not yet to be built on the site lah. So this is a new building. Okay, so this this drawing, so we based on the client that because the client they have like the client they have like give the engineer to draft out how the plan be look like the SJKC how the plan be look like. So we based on the previous plan. So we adjust a bit, adjust it like make it more logic lah. Okay. So and also we adjust it and also I draft out the section and elevation so for preparing the proposal drawing to the client. So after we sorry, after we prepare the drawing, so I also render and Photoshop the plan to make it look nice because we need to have a proposal and also a presentation slide for client to comment. So okay, I think that's all. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, Ken. Thank you for your presentation. You may stop recording.
okay.
Okay. All right, Ken. Okay. First of all,